This is our Bartlett location, located at 3189 Kirby Whitten Road. You're gonna park in the parking lot. Come through here, your door is going to be unlocked. You're gonna go to the top of the stairs. You're then going to use the code that was emailed to you to open this top door. Then you're going to go immediately to your left. You'll see the door here. You can use the code also to get through this door. Come through the lobby. You're gonna make a left, and you'll see E, Lifesaver CPR, and then use the code to enter here, and you can then take your course. Input your sign-on and password into the computer. You can take the CPR class here. And then if you can do me a favor and wipe off the mannequins with the provided wipes after your class so it's ready for the next student. Thank you.